Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by rewriting the quadratic as x2 plus bx plus c. This makes every following step clear. Next, compute the axis of symmetry x equals b slash 2a and plug it into the function to get the vertex height. Once done, note the y-intercept at c and choose one or two x values for a quick table of values. Use a graphing calculator or a spreadsheet to avoid arithmetic errors. This gives you the essential points to plot immediately. Now plot the vertex first so your sketch has a precise turning point. Then place the y-intercept and any table points you computed. These anchor the curve. Make sure to reflect each plotted point across the axis of symmetry. Reflecting ensures the parabola is balanced left and right. Once you have at least 5 accurate points, draw a smooth curved line through them. This visualizes both direction and width of the parabola and shows where it will cross the x-axis. Finally, read the x-intercepts of your drawn parabola as the solutions to the quadratic. If the curve doesn't clearly cross the axis, switch to the quadratic formula to compute precise roots and mark them on the graph. Once done, double-check the vertex and a few table points to confirm alignment. If the graph looks skewed, re-evaluate plotted coordinates and scale. Common issues come from arithmetic errors or incorrect axis scaling, so correct those and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.